When fire strikes in a confined space, it's essential to act fast.
Quebec Victor from Hospital 2, we've got a cell fire in X2, cell 22.
The Hydromist MOBILE8 unit is easy to use, quick and effective to take the heat out of a crisis if you keep your cool. Designed to provide fire suppression within prisons, it's fast, safe and efficient, using minimal water whilst presenting no risks to the environment or people. Let's run through that again so you know the procedure. At the first sign of fire, it's essential to raise the alarm and carry out a dynamic risk assessment in accordance with the local fire safety procedures. Then plug in the MOBILE8 unit, switch on at the mains and the blue on switch on the unit. Remove the lance from the holster and unwind the hose. Advise anyone trapped to stand to the side of the door. The cell door has a removable inundation point. You insert the lance here. Make sure to create a good seal. For the best effect, squeeze the trigger in 30-second pulses as you rotate the nozzle. The Hydromist firefighting system expels fine water droplets of 100 microns diameter, with enough flow and velocity to quickly fight the fire and suppress the smoke and heat to create a survivable environment. As soon as possible, release anyone trapped within. Mission accomplished. Follow these guidelines and carry out the simple weekly maintenance check on the unit, and you and the Hydromist are ready for action.